students, in my previous videos, I think you can understand the conversion like binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal conversions. And I hope you can all understand this, how can we convert these numbers from binary to another terms. And now today I will going to explain you decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal conversions. There are only one rule. We have to divide number with depending on the conversion. Like if I want to convert decimal number to the binary number, I have to divide that particular number with 2. If I want to convert decimal number to the octal number, I have to divide that particular number with number 8. If I want to convert decimal number to the hexadecimal number, I have to divide that particular number with 16. Okay, so as we divide one value with some another number, we got two results always. One is quotient and another is remainder. Now for making our result, we just concentrate on the remainder, because in that case, in the decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal conversion, our remainder will become our result. Okay, so we will going to start this. So dear students, today we are going to convert decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. So I first start with decimal to binary. Means base 10 to base 2, or my problem is 25 base 10 is equal to what base 2, right? Likewise, जैसा कि मैं अभी आपको बता चुकी थी, we have to just divide our problem number with 2 for decimal to binary conversion. Whenever I divide 2 by 25, I will get quotient 12 and remainder 1. Just concentrate on remainder. Now I divide 12 by 2 again, I will get 6, and there is no remainder. Now again I would like to divide 6 by 2, I will get 3, again no remainder. Now I will going to divide 3 by 2, I will get 1 and getting 1 remainder. Because I am getting 1 and it will not divisible by 2, so it will get remainder's place, right? Now moving from bottom to top, I get my answer. So I will get from bottom to top 1 1 0 0 and 1 base 2, which is my answer. You can check it. 2 to the power 0 into 1, 2 to the power 1 into 1, 0, 2 to the power 2 into 0, 2 to the power 3 into 1, and 2 to the power 4 into 1. Whatever you are doing plus here, you will get 25 again. So it is the actually term. By using this, you can check your answer. You can moving further. Again there is a problem, that is 17 base 10 is equal to what base 2. Again I am doing some process divide by 2, I will get 8, because 2 8s are 16, remainder 1, 2 4s are 8, no remainder, 2 2s are 4, no remainder, 2 1s are 2, no remainder, but 1 is again left with us, and we cannot divide 1 with 2, that's why 1 can get the place of remainder and get value like 10001 is my binary number for my 17 decimal number. Okay.